Just to recap, we drove bumper cars, teacups, the train, swing, went through Loveland, the ghost house, zip lines, and waterfall number 1. Let's visit the museum now. The museum sums up Guam's history from the pre-colonial era to post-World War II. Let's head to Yokoi's cave. After a 5-minute mini hike, we've reached the exact location where Mr. Yokoi, a Japanese soldier, hid and lived in for about 20 years in the falls waiting for World War II to end. After completing the mini hike, you'll come across a picnic area. We wanted to eat the berries, but the berries weren't ripe yet. We're at waterfall number 2. It's time to head back up. A special shout out to the developer, Mr. Chul Soo Lee, for the convenient access to the waterfalls and the Yokoi Cave, and also for its preservation.